I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you, 'cause there's so many ways that I want to carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets in the mountains, find luck like a bet in Greek fountains, or lay lazy in bed with your head on my chest. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you. Every day another high do, 'cause you know I do, I do, I do. I hope you can hear every note that my heart sings, like a choir of bells.
It's been a long time, but I remember it well, just like the photo we keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young, oh, we were young. Now 10 years have passed and we're still locked in time. I don't take for granted the years that go by. Started with a gaze, here we remain. All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fists in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You make me feel like enough. I'll ever yours, I'll ever yours. My heart is racing, these tears of happiness shaking, 'cause I know that I found love. I'll ever yours, I'll ever yours. Someday you might be the president, someday you might be a star. Someday you might be a homeowner, you might even play guitar. In the between and all the fun, I'll be by your side. I'll love you, 'cause you're a piece of my heart. Whatever you do, wherever you are, no matter the time or place, near or far, in all the good and all that's hard, I'll love you, 'cause you're a piece of my heart. Someday you might make big mistakes, someday you might break hearts, someday you might just fall in love, you might even drive a car. In the between and all the change, I'll be by your side. I'll love you, 'cause you're a piece of my heart. Whatever you do, wherever you are, no matter the time or place, near or far,